Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check the price of a Pokemon card in TCG app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to have the app called Poké TCG app downloaded. You can find this app on the App Store by searching Poké TCG. So this app will help to scan the card and find the price for your card. So once you have the app downloaded, you can open the app, and on the first page it will show you like the scan mode. So all you have to do is place the card under the scan camera. Make sure it is at the right position, and after it scans the card, you will see the detail and the prices of the card. So as you can see, I'm scanning a Pokemon called Hero Cap, and this one has a market price of $3.67. And that is how you can check the price of any Pokemon card in TCG app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.